Hello, bafethu kunjani? Ozabantu on your screen, here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Bafethu, nani niyazi angihambi ngedwa, ngihamba no?
Shepa fethu kunjani cameraman team Mfokaswela Mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion. Sibuyile with another one. Uthi baba.
On today's episode, we are looking at Kaizer Chiefs. Eyenza kahle ke. Isijikele yenza kahle.
Yenza ngiyakujwayela.
Yeah. What do you make of some of the performances ayo? Now for the past 3 games, because remember we were the ones who were advocating
I think
for a change. Yeah, for a change.
No, I think
seeing how things are playing out now.
I think we did discuss the first one if we're looking at the 3, whereby they won 1-0. And then I even said it would say that win was just a fluke. There was nothing special about that win. They were just lucky to score that goal and then they won. The performance was bad. Then going to the second game when they won 2-0, you could see that they wanted to play, to do something. But in the corner, for me, it's just individual players, not the entire team, because the entire team looks lost at some point.
So about individual players, I think it's fair to mention them, because remember when they do bad, so let's mention them even when they do good.
Yeah, I think the likes of Mdum, it's still early to say the Majoro magic is working, but the mindset you can see with Ishinchile, the boy wants to do something, even no my chances are many our loser, but it's more like he doesn't keep his head down. You're born with still, he wants to create something, he wants to score, he wants us to win, that attitude for me, it's what it has been missing. Even no matter we're performing bad, but if you're in a corner with no guys, let's do this, we can do this. That's all we want. That's more key. So I can see attitude has changed. Attitude has changed. So mentioning Utuba Vele, it's always been like that. So Utuba for me now, I'm born. Okay, there was a time about he was down. Now we can't see which was Amugenda. But now the attitude is changing, and I hope look all be able to these of men's spirits can be high even more.
Confidence is high. No, you can help them out.
Some players are on and off, but living by level, my boy, it's always been exceptional for me since the Jawafera Chiefs. I can't fault him. Immediately, Sidley was just no play my party. There's nothing you can play my guy. But since Wafika performance for me, it's always been on top performance for me. Best player for us currently. It's our best player.
What about the inconsistency lineup coach? See any consistency now going on? Because when I finally born, you needed that 1-0 win, as it was, got again. Because of it now, you find yourself 3.
Okay, these 3 games that we won in a row, still the making consistent in terms of starting lineup. Still we were chopping and changing. We came as well on this. So was simply the previous game bang. So next game you don't be shocked about them. So
yeah, but one consistent factor is affected now. What a boy has been there.
Yeah.
So maybe having him, even though they changed some other positions.
But remember, since season Italy, we've always said immediately Umaboy again. But it feels like Umaboy is but they don't know what was on nobody. We've always emphasized Leon. So they keep on pairing him no mobile. Because at some point I thought by understanding no. I don't know what happened, then Bam keep or Yamala. And then if you look at the previous game, Ubonilo would even it worked Umaboy and Undo. It seems like they understand each other.
But some of the combinations you have to give them time. Another thing, wouldn't you allow them now to find this combination? One, we can see with Sebemtolile this one.
Yes.
Wouldn't you allow them to change and see balance of the game? Because you wouldn't see this as a problem now, or you would see which Balala but basically gaming cool, that's why you feel with okay, yeah, what they were trying to do might not be the one.
Yes.
So wouldn't you give them time to actually look at other options in that
Okay, okay. Looking at the players that we have, I don't think Minumaboy Kolawara. So it means by now they should know what okay. These players mabadlala manje combination of is clicking or not. Medlala lo is it click. Still manje you can't figure it out.
But remember when you're the one who's saying I don't think that there has to be a market involved, a transfer market involved
Okay,
to
okay.
solve that
Now you're
problem.
talking.
Right now, they have to use what they have.
Yes, yes. So based on what they have, I mean for me it's always where I can go, my boy.
That's your preference.
Yes. That's my preference. And I think going to the game, it's a on a match. I would like with my starting I need starting the half. Second half. Now I'm getting a second half, my 30 game. I'll prefer them to start the game. So this coach is the opposite.
But it seems to work right now. Maybe the opponents you are playing as well. We have to also question that because you haven't really got the challenge. Take nothing away from winning the game. But beating Orbit, Orbit, that's short is a man. It's okay, we are picking up points.
Man, man.
Some
Speaking
teams
of these teams that we
question them
play,
with the figure.
my next game is TX Galaxy. You punish TX Galaxy 0. So now maybe going to this game. So Khluwanisa umfana endodeni noma indoda emfaneni. There's something serious kanjalo.
I know. I think it's too early. You
Why?
have a Sundowns, you have a Pirates.
Yes.
Those are the games to measure yourself. These small games, you can win them. It's fine.
No, but
it helps
wait,
you because at the end of the day, no. So here's the only argument. It's not an argument. We are saying that you haven't proven yourself to that level. You
6
know?
goals, okay.
This challenge we are saying about TS Galaxy, it's a step above these teams we have been playing.
Yes.
But it's not at the level of Mutulana Skukuna, for example. You agree with me? You are not playing a Mazulu. Now, because now they are up there.
Yeah.
They raise their head when they play. So that's why now Futlama teams they are not at the level of Chiefs.
Sundowns and Pirates.
So all I can say is take it one game at a time. There will come a time where you will be tested.
No, ngiyavuma lapho. But looking at the Chiefs, the strike ngisho in that case, the Chiefs that couldn't even beat Orbit mhlawumbe. But manje masifuna lama game amancane lawo, building to the big game. I think you have a confident booster for abadlali. Don't imagine abadlali Pirates ubeyakudliwa 3. So it's difficult left. So winning these small games, confident boosting for them. And I like it ngoba that is why I've been including the TX Galaxy because when we share 6. So I wanna see good meaning. So at some point,
measure yourself.
Yes, what's shooting the problem in me is not TX Galaxy.
They are in the final of the Netbank. So
yes,
now they are high in confidence, I would like to say. Because at the end of the day, that one it's one of those games where they get and continue with the game. They're not doing that bad really. The reason why in Shoganjalo is because it's a team that I know sometimes on a good day they pose a threat in this. They beat Sundowns when it went.
I don't know, man. But I think they lost it, man. Can't because they play 6 games, they even won 1.
All I'm saying is they are capable of posing.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. But I don't see them giving trouble to the Chiefs going to that game.
Yeah, guys, let us know. The game is played on Sunday, right?
Yeah.
The game is played on Sunday. Make sure to tune in and watch that game. And support the ball about it. Support the kids at Chiefs. Yeah. Tell us on the comments, Uti, what do you think about this game? Rams like to the one saying this is the game where they will be competing to show Uti 11 we can see the confidence as well.
Building to derby.
Yeah. I'm not sure about the derby, but yeah. Tell us, guys. I would like to hear your views on this.